How to change gender character on Free Fire. Firstly, you will have to open the Free Fire app on your device. So simply open the app. And now from here, to change the gender character on Free Fire, you will have to go with the options preset. So it will appear on the bottom. So simply tap on the preset option. Alright, so again from here, you will have to go with the option character. And now from here, you'll be able to find different characters on your Free Fire platform. So simply choose any one female character from here. So I will choose this one character. And now click on the equip button. Okay, so simply back from here. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully changed the gender character on Free Fire. So likewise, you can also change the gender character on Free Fire. And if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short and quick tutorial for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.